Good morning, my dear students. Today I will teach you the chapter 3rd of your computer book, that is working with tables. Okay, so let's start the class. First of all, you just have to click on the start button on your computer and then just type Word, and then just click on Word 2013. Then you will see some options. You just have to click on the first option, that is blank document. And here you will see the computer screen. Your Microsoft Word has been opened. Then you just have to click on the Insert tab. Here you will see our option Table. You just have to click once on the Table option and then you will see some square boxes. This is called row and this is called a column. How many rows and columns do you want? You just have to click there. Okay students, after that, if you want to insert any data or if you want to enter any data in your table, you just have to click on the cell, or you just have to click inside the cell. This rectangular column, this particular rectangle column is called a cell. This particular column is called a cell. Okay dear students, now you just have to click inside the cell and you can type anything you want. As I type Madhav Garg, and then you just have to click inside the next cell and can type 5th B, and then SIS, the next cell. That's how we can enter the data inside the table. Okay dear students, now I will tell you how to select the entire table or a particular column or a particular row. हम किसी भी कॉलम को कैसे सेलेक्ट कर सकते हैं, रो को कैसे सेलेक्ट कर सकते हैं एंड एंटायर टेबल को हम कैसे सेलेक्ट कर सकते हैं. Then if you want to select a row, you just have to click above the row. Your cursor will be changed into a black arrow. Then you just have to click once above the column and the column will be selected. If you want to select the another column, you just have to click above that particular column and the column will be selected. That's how we can select all the columns one by one. And if you want to select a particular row, then you just have to click outside that particular row and your row will be selected. That's how. Okay dear students, and if you want to select a particular cell, अगर आपको एक ही सेल को सेलेक्ट करना है, if I want to select this cell where Madhav Garg has been written, you just have to triple click inside the cell and your cell will be selected and you can edit your data. And if you want to select the entire table at once, you just have to click this square box. This is called table handle. Then you just have to click once on the table handle and your entire table will be selected. Okay dear students, now I will tell you how to resize your table according to the data entered in your table. आपने जो डेटा एंटर किया है अपनी टेबल के अंदर, आप उसके अकॉर्डिंग टेबल को कैसे रिसाइज कर सकते हो. हाउ कैन यू डिक्रीज और इंक्रीज द साइज ऑफ योर टेबल. You just have to click inside the table and then you just have to click the layout tab. and here you will see a auto fit option. You just have to click on the auto fit option, and here you will see three options. The first one is auto fit contents, second one is auto fit window, and the third one is fixed column. You just have to click on the first option, auto fit contents, and your table has been decreased according to the data entered in the table. Okay, dear students, now if you want to insert a column or a row in your table, how can you do it? You just have to select a row or a particular column where you want to insert the other column or row. Then you will see four options there: insert above, insert below, insert left, and insert right. The first two options are for rows and the next two options are for your columns. If you want to insert a column to the left side, you just have to click on the insert left button. Your column will be inserted to the left side of the particular row which you have selected. And if you want to insert a column to the right side, you just have to click on the insert right option. Your row will be inserted. That's how if you want to insert a row, then you can click on the insert above option. Your row will be added, and if you click on the insert below option, one more row will be added. Okay, my dear students, that's how you can add so many rows and columns, the number which you want to add. जितने भी आप columns और rows को add करना चाहते हो, you can add them. Okay, dear students, that's all for today's class. Thank you.